SOS fix. We have this HP desktop. The model number is S5-1554. The problem in this computer, as the customer described, it's gonna need to push the power button many times to get it to power on. Right now, it's not turning on at all. I'm gonna take it apart and look at it inside. So here is the power button. You can see the wires. The power button wires are black, and the LED wire is yellow and brown, and they are going to this connector here. So these two pins here is the power button pins, but they don't work. So the problem is not the power button, as the customer mentioned. Should be something wrong with the power supply. So here I fixed the DC power supply, the computer power box. I changed all the capacitors, even if they don't look bad, but I changed all of them except the one is the 3300 microfarad. And here the computer turns on. We got a good display in the screen. Gonna turn it off again. We'll power it on, and the computer worked. So yeah, it was just a bad capacitor. None of the capacitor looks bad. This is the this is the bad capacitor. So must be one of them, but because you can see all the capacitor looks good, so I had to change all this capacitor and the secondary part of the power board. So I changed all of these ones except the 3300 microfarad. So hope this video gonna help someone that's facing the same issue. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.